If you are a leader or a founder or a seeker, ready for your next high stakes promotion, ready for your next high stakes job, you are making it through a valley and you are ready for another peak in your life, this is what you will have to develop. My mission in life is to unlock happiness, not success. Self-actualization, not hustle and ambition. You came here to be the biggest you, the most you can possibly be. What's the money even for? It's literally to allow you to be the most you could possibly be, to be a person who lives doing what they love to do, doing what they prefer to do, sharing what they prefer to do. I'm making the decision to really live the way I want to live. I'm making the decision to step out as boldly and as brightly and as loudly as I can.